Today we are going to create superflip pattern without algorithm. Let's repeat this procedure 4 times. Rotate this middle layer right to left, right layer upward 4 times. Two, 3, 4. Then rotate this cube like this and then rotate again like this. Then repeat same procedure 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rotate cube like this. Now repeat the same procedure 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now super flip pattern get created everywhere. You see it look like chessboard pattern, but pieces get flipped. These pieces get flipped. Blue, white get flipped. This white, orange get flipped. Green, white get flipped. Every edge piece get flipped like this. Red pattern and this flipped pieces.